I want to thank you for all that you have done for us. There are thousands of you out there, volunteers, parallel groups, political leaders that have cast their lot with us because of their belief in our message of unity, because of their belief in the candidates sa Tambalang, Marcos at saka Duterte. Kaya't napakalaking pasasalamat namin sa inyong lahat. Kagaya ng aking sinabi, ay hindi pa tapos ang bilangan. Marami nang nagsasabi na tapos na, pero hindi pa talaga. Antayin natin hanggang talagang maliwanag na maliwanag, mag 100% ng pagbilang. Let us keep watch on the vote. Kung tayo'y pala rin, ay aasahan ko na yung inyong tulong ay hindi magsawa, ang inyong tiwala ay hindi magsawa. At dahil ay marami po tayong gagawin dito sa ating hinaharap.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.